Hey YouTube, how's it going? I'm Josh from A Bear's World, and I want to give you an update on the Acerola cherry, aka Barbados cherry, aka Jamaican cherry. So come along, I'll show you these cherries. So now you've seen these cherries are growing. I can't wait to taste one. They're not quite turning red yet, but I will keep you posted. Once the first one turns red, I'm sure I'll be so excited I'll probably do an update or something. But yeah, stay tuned for that. And a few things about the Acerola cherry. If you didn't know it, very high in vitamin C, also helps to reduce the risk of heart disease, as well as helps to improve your memory. So one more reason to try out this cherry. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the garden.